Whether you're an aspiring content creator or just curious about what it takes to start a YouTube channel in 2025, you're in the right place. I say 2025 because most people tend to want to start a new project in the new year, and most times for aspiring content creators, it'd be starting a new YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about starting a new YouTube channel, from starting your channel to choosing the right niche, and even some basic YouTube SEO tips to help you get you discovered. These are structures that I have applied in various YouTube channels, and also to this particular YouTube channel that helped you find me. So let's dive in. First things first, setting up your YouTube channel. It's super simple, but there are a few things you want to get right from the start. When you create a channel, YouTube will ask you for a Google account, which you probably already have. And if you don't have, you can just register and open a Google account. It's very easy. Then it's time to personalize your profile. This is where you add your profile picture, your banner image. Make sure this reflects the vibe of your channel. You want your audience to immediately get a sense of what your channel is all about just from looking at your profile picture. Opening a Google account is so easy. You can Google how to open a Google account. It's just going to show you there. Just put on your info. Once you've got that, don't forget to verify your accounts. This helps with features like custom thumbnails and longer YouTube videos. These things are important once you start to grow. So once you've verified your account, you'll be able to then choose the kind of thumbnail you want to use. So you need to verify your account first. Oh, and make sure your channel name is consistent with your brand and easy to remember. A consistent brand name across all platforms can really help with discoverability. My consistent brand name is Stephanie Mike. Anywhere you want to find me, you'll find me at Stephanie Mike. Now let's talk about one of the most important decisions, your channel name and description. Choosing the right name is crucial. It should be unique, memorable, and give potential viewers an idea of what your channel is about. If your channel is about gaming, for example, a name like Pixel Play tells people exactly what to expect. But if you're focusing on something more personal like vlogging, then a name with your own brand or your personality could work better. For example, Stephanie Mike Vlogs. You understand? So like, depending on what your channel is about, choose a brand name that reflects what your channel is about. As for your description, this is your chance to sell your channel. Make it clear who you are in your description. That is your channel description is what I'm talking about. What kind of content you'll be making and why people should subscribe. Keep it concise but informative. You can see my own. This is how it is. You already know what you're getting when you come to my channel. Okay. And don't forget to sprinkle in some keywords related to your niche. More on that in a bit when we talk about SEO. Next, we're going to go to choosing your niche. This is very important, okay? So choosing your niche is like probably the most important part of starting your channel because it defines your audience and your content strategy. Your niche should be something that comes naturally to you. You don't want to spread yourself too thin. So focus on a specific area that excites you and aligns with what your passion is, what your passion is about. If it's gaming, beauty, tutorials, tech review, fitness tips, or cooking, find that sweet spot where your interest meets what people are searching for. For me, I love everything editing content YouTube. And as you can see, I'm here teaching you how to start a YouTube channel. If you don't know what niches are, you can Google some example of niches. You see them online. But remember, your niche can evolve over time. You don't have to lock yourself into a box, especially if you're just starting out. And if you're not sure of where to start, consider looking at trending topics, areas that have a loyal fan base, or something that hasn't been overdone. This is your chance to stand out. Now let's talk about SEO, which is search engine optimization. I'm sure you must have heard this term before. YouTube is a search engine. So optimizing your content is essential to getting discovered. The first step is keyword research. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or even the YouTube search bar to see what people are searching for in your niche. For example, if you're creating tech review videos, you might want to target keywords like best budget smartphones or 2025 laptop reviews and more. So yeah, learn to do your research before you choose a niche. Okay, so once you've gotten your keyword, make sure to include them in your title, your description, and your tags. Your keyword in your title, your description, and your tags. Your title should be catchy and very descriptive. Think of it like a headline for your video. Your description should also explain what your video is about using keywords naturally. For example, look at the title of this video that made you click on it. If you go to my description, you would also see the same terms and keywords in my description, and also in my tags, which you can't really see. They are there. So don't forget about the tags. YouTube allows you to add a few tags to each video. These are words that helps YouTube understand what your video is about and match it with search queries. So once you optimize and you use the same keywords in your title, your description, and your tags, YouTube then knows what this video is about. And the better your SEO, the more likely YouTube will recommend your videos to new viewers. Easy as ABC. All right, that's a wrap on today's video. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 doesn't have to be overwhelming. Focus on setting your channel first. Choose the right name, niche, and understand some basic SEO, and you'll be on your way to creating content that people will love to watch. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comment below. Good luck with your YouTube journey, and I'll see you in the next video.